For the best price, click the link in the description. Today we're looking at the Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000, a product that promises to revolutionize your music production experience with its cutting-edge effects and processing capabilities. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on it. The Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000 is not as straightforward as you'd think. It has some features that might appeal to seasoned producers, but others that can be a bit confusing for beginners. You may have heard of Behringer before, known for their affordable and feature-packed music equipment. But don't let the price tag fool you. This product's got some complex aspects that might leave you scratching your head. Therefore, in this review, I'll dive into the details and give you a balanced view of what this product can do. As we explore the Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000, you may start to wonder if it's really worth the investment. With its sleek design and impressive specs, it looks like a promising addition to any music studio. However, the user interface is where things get interesting, or rather, confusing. The first thing I noticed when opening the unit was the vast array of knobs, sliders, and buttons. It's clear that Behringer aimed to make this product as versatile as possible, but at what cost? The sheer number of options can be overwhelming for those who are new to music production. Therefore, I'll try to break it down in a way that's easy to follow. Let's start with the basics. The unit itself is compact and lightweight, making it perfect for producers on the go. However, as soon as you start navigating through the settings, things can get complicated quickly. The manual is thick, but not exactly helpful when trying to understand the intricacies of this product. The Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000 boasts some impressive specs with over 100 effects and processing capabilities that would make even the most seasoned producers jealous. However, as I delved deeper into its features, I realized that it's not exactly user-friendly for those who are new to music production. You might be thinking, but what about the price? Indeed, at around $300, this product is an attractive option for those on a budget. However, considering the complexity and potential for misuse, I'm left wondering if it's worth the investment. One of the most confusing aspects of this unit is its built-in effects processing capabilities. On one hand, you've got access to some amazing features like delay, reverb, and distortion. But on the other hand, navigating through these options can be a chore for those who don't have prior experience with music production software. The unit itself is sturdy and well-built, which is a definite plus. However, as I mentioned earlier, the user interface is where things get complicated quickly. Therefore, I'll try to break it down in a way that's easy to follow. The main control panel features an array of knobs and sliders that allow you to adjust various settings. The effects processing capabilities are impressive but can be confusing for beginners. The unit itself is compact and lightweight. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive deeper into some of the more complex features. As I explored the Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000, I discovered some interesting quirks and limitations that might affect your production workflow. One of the most disappointing aspects of this product is its lack of a user-friendly interface for beginners. While seasoned producers will likely appreciate the sheer number of options at their disposal, newcomers to music production might find it overwhelming. But there's one aspect where the Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000 truly shines: its sound quality. Whether you're looking for crystal-clear tones or deep bass notes, this product delivers. As I continued to experiment with the unit, I realized that some of its features are more geared towards live performances rather than studio work. The effects processing capabilities and built-in audio interfaces make it an attractive option for DJs and electronic musicians. However, when trying to use it in a studio setting, I encountered some issues with latency and compatibility. Therefore, if you're planning on using this product in a professional setting, be prepared to deal with some potential headaches. The final verdict: while the Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000 has some impressive specs and features, its complexity and user interface make it less than ideal for beginners. For seasoned producers, it might be worth considering, but only if you're willing to invest time and effort into mastering its intricacies. As a recommendation, I'd say that this product is best suited for those who have prior experience with music production software or are looking for a specific set of features geared towards live performances. If you're just starting out, there are better options available on the market. In conclusion, while the Behringer Virtualizer 3D FX2000 has its strengths and weaknesses, I'd advise against it for beginners due to its complexity and user interface issues. For those who are willing to invest time and effort into mastering its intricacies, it might be worth considering, but only at a discounted price. For the best price on this product, click the link in the description.